Latest toy, 1838 Broadwood, 6-octave square, in pretty good shape. Most of the strings are original, needs about 30 replacements, but mostly in the brass area. Original tuning pins. The worst thing that the previous restroyer did was cover the hammers with some ridiculous thick material. You can see I've removed a few of them already. Believe it or not, as far as I can tell, it's Dr. Scholl's. Dr. Scholl's insoles for 1838 piano hammers. Anyway, you can see what they sound like. Here is the Dr. Scholl sound. Here are the uncovered hammers. Sounds like a piano. Another example. So yeah, a bit of work ahead, but it's in pretty good shape, all things considered.